Okay, so we are loving this theory. We are not doing any question that is saying calculation right now. Calculate, okay? Sorry, that says calculate. We are doing all the questions that are on theory, no calculations. Here we are at number 5 now. It says that, and so far from number 1 up to number 5, there hasn't been a calculation anyway. They say two charges, they give us Q1, which is this charge, and this is a positive charge, of course. This is a positive charge. And Q2, which is this, which is obviously a negative charge. It's negative 2 microcoulombs. These are placed on the blah, 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 of a neutral object. Sketch the electric field pattern. So they're checking if you know electric field line patterns, okay? You should know electric field line patterns of 3 different situations. Now, number 1 is an electric dipole. An electric dipole is when you have 2 charges that are equal but opposite in charge. So one is positive, one is negative, and you are trying to draw field lines that come from one to the other. Then you do for 2 equal charges that are the same. Okay, so we start with the dipole, right? Dipole is when you have a positive and a negative, and they have the same size. If it's positive, one can be positive 5, the other one negative 5. And you want to draw field lines between them, that's easy. Then you should be able to draw when you have 2 charges that are both the same, like positive 5 and positive 5, or negative 5 and negative 5, okay? Dipole is for positive and negative together, one positive, one negative, and them being equal. Then the other is for them being either both positive or both negative and them being equal. Or you now have when they are not equal, right? You could have when one is positive and one is negative, but they are not equal, or when they are both positive but not equal, or when they are both negative but not equal. So that's the situation. So here we have them being one positive, one negative, but they are not equal. So let's see what they've asked us. Sketch electric field line patterns around 2 Q1 charges. Also, we have 2 Q1 charges. Okay, we have 2 things that are both negative, but they are equal. Okay, they are both equal because both of them are Q1 is positive, so they are both positive rather. Sorry, because one, you should just see that this one is a positive. Okay, this plus 1 is a positive, so they should be exactly the same, everything the same. So now we are starting. So how do you do for this? Is very easy. When you do for 2 charges that are equal, just do this. Just make sure that you draw lines coming out and never meeting, okay? So this one comes like this, and this one also does the same, okay? From the same position like that. Then you do another one which comes like this. Then you do another one which comes like that. Then you do another one which goes up and out like this. Then you do the same which does that, okay? Then you do another one which goes up and out like this. Then you do the same which does that. Now, and you're going to do the same if also you had them being negative. You'd still do the same thing, okay? If they were both negative, you'd still do the very same diagram which I'm showing you here. You do the same diagram which I'm showing you here. Very same diagram. But you know what would change is that for positive, you must show, okay, let's keep continuing first. Let's keep continuing. You show them curving out like this, and you show them when you come here, it curves out like this, and that is the same even when they are both negative, okay? Make sure that you do the same. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 4, 5. I should put one more here, so I should do this and put another one here. Make them 6. Then they should now do like this. One comes out like that, okay? So it's 7 each side. So make them be the same. So we should also have 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5. Then 6. Then 7 is going to be like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5. Then 6. Then 7 is like that. Okay, so this is exactly what you should do. But now what you do is you must remember this, that field lines, when you have positive charges, field lines go out of them. Okay, and when you have negative, they go in. So field lines always emanate from a positive thing. So they always come out of a positive. So when you do for the positive, you must put arrows coming out. Just put the arrows facing this way. Okay, first you do the field lines. Field lines are going to be the same for everything. Then you just look, because they are positive, you show the field lines coming out. Okay, here we have 2 Q1, which is 2 positive guys. So that is what they do. Show them coming out like this. Show them coming out of the positive. Coming out of the positive. Show them coming out of the positive. Out of the positive. They should come out of the positive particle. Okay? And make sure that their numbers are the same. If you don't make the numbers the same, you will be penalized, because you have 2 things, 2 Q1 charges, which means both of them are Q1s. Both of them have the same amount of charge. All right. Now, sketch the electric field pattern around 2Q2. What am I going to do? The same thing, very same thing. But now the thing is, Q2 must be more than Q1. Okay, if Q1 I put 7, for Q2 I have to put like double. So let me try and reduce for Q1 so that I don't have to do too many for Q2. So it's going to be, because Q2 is a -2. Okay, it's a -2. So I'm still going to show lines. So I can show lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and we can put 1 here. So a straight one. They never have one. So we can, let's put the 9 like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 like that. Okay. Then we can do the same. So you can, if you can put 10 if you want. You can put them coming like this and put the 10th one. Then we would have to put 10 again. Yes, so it'll be 1, 2, 3. I'll start by saying here it comes, but they never meet. They never meet. So it'll be like this. Okay. That is what happens. This is what happens. So you say 1, then you say 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6, then 7, then 8, then 9. So here you do the same. You do it coming out like this. 1, then 2. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so here we have 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then 10 like this. So 1, 2 here, then 3, then 4, then 5, 6, okay, 6 like this, 7, 8, 9, then 10 like that. Okay, then you put them facing what? It's going to be exactly the same, but for negative, they face inwards. So show them going in like that. That is the only difference. Show them these are 2 Q2s, okay? So show the arrow facing inside, inside. Show the arrow facing inside like this. Arrow facing inside. Do a better diagram than me. Remember that field lines always come out of positive and go into negative. So remember that, okay? They always come out of positive and go into negative. So don't forget that. Make your field lines go into the negative and you would be done. This is how simple it is. Look at how simple it is. Can you see that? Now here they say sketch the electric field line patterns around Q1 and Q2 together. So we take Q1 and Q2. Now look at Q1. Q1 is positive, Q2 is negative. So it's going to be coming out of Q1 and going into Q2. But Q2 should have more lines because it's bigger. It is a 2, Q1 is a 1. So I'll put that. So I'm going to put Q1 as a positive, then Q2 being a negative. Right? So remember, now we have positive coming. It comes out of positive and it goes into negative. This is now what you should have. Okay? It comes out of positive. It goes into negative. So you can have, it starts with a line like that. Then you can start to have the others join suit. Join suit like this. Join suit like this. Coming like that. Okay? How simple is this? And you can have another one coming like that. Then you can start to show, like you can show 3 going out that will not arrive. It's still fine. You can put 1 going straight and 1 coming like this. Okay, 3 going out. But then, you know what you do? When you come to this side, you must put double that. So here you had put 3. So here you should come and put 6 that have nowhere to go. So you should have 6 coming like that. So what would you do? You'd still make them be curved like this. Curved like this. Curved like this. Like this. 1, 2, 3. There it was 3. So you can say 1, 2. You can put 2 here. Like this. Okay. So it is 1, then 2. Then there is a line. Then you can put 1, then 2. Okay. That is what you do. Okay. Or I could put here, make them 2 like this. 2 here. 2 down here. So that here I'll have 4 here. 1 at the center and 4 down there. Okay, so it's going to be something like that. How is that? How good is that? So you can now have more lines. So here you can show 2 coming out like this. Remember, they always come out of positive. Then you have 4 lines coming in like that. 4 lines in this one and 4 lines coming in like that. So you see, this is what happens. This is what you have when you have a negative. Even if you wanted to put another one, just put another one there. But just show that it's double so you can keep it like that. Okay, so this is what happens when you have something which is bigger, and these are your filled lines. For here, you should also show them coming out of positive, going into negative. So you should show them to say they are going this way. All right, now these are your filled lines, and this is how simple this question is. You'd be done. Now we keep going. Goodbye for now. See you in the next one.